Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the chocolate dip donut by Tim Hortons. So this donut here has 200 calories. It's just like a normal donut dipped in chocolate. One of the most basic but classic donuts out there. 200 calories isn't too bad for something this size, so I'll take it. I'll get right into this here. So it has a very classic taste of the chocolate. If you've had one of these before, these taste like pretty much all the Tim Hortons donuts. They have a very similar taste to them. It's got a unique flavor, and they all kind of taste similar in a certain sense, but this is the most classic type of donut. It's just like a battery donut with chocolate on top. So kind of like the plain donut with some chocolate. So all the main kind of donuts that they have are all somewhat similar. Like the Boston cream has a similar like texture and taste to this one, but it's got cream on the inside. So a few differences, but they all taste somewhat similar. One of the biggest similarities in this donut is to the sprinkle donut or the vanilla dip, which has like vanilla instead of this chocolate on top. And it's got sprinkles on it. And that's one of my favorite types of donuts. This one, well, it's somewhat similar, just doesn't come close to how good that donut is. So that's something to note. If you like the sprinkle donut, very similar. This one's a little bit different. Not as good in my opinion. Last bite, I'll give my review. It's a pretty classic donut being on the O of the Tim Hortons, but this vanilla sprinkle here is a little bit better, and so is the Boston cream. So I'd give this donut like a 7 out of 10. It's still a good donut, but many of the other donuts are better in certain ways. This is kind of like laying the groundwork for the better donuts out there. It feels weird talking about donuts like that, but this one's like a mid-tier one. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.